Let's explore the amazing new Hikvision EKI-K82T87A 8-channel 4K turret IP camera kit with a 180-degree panoramic ColorVu camera. This groundbreaking new product is among our latest IP kit releases you can purchase from your local authorized Hikvision distributor. As we mentioned, this is a 4K camera kit boasting Ultra HD resolution for superior image quality. There are 8 channels available on the included 4K AccuSense NVR with a 2 TB pre-installed disc to manage recording of the 6 included 4K IP cameras and one 8-megapixel panoramic ColorVu camera. Like all Hikvision camera kits, the unit is grab and go and plug and play, making it both affordable and expandable while easy to install. In the box, we've included a PoE K-Series NVR, which can record up to 8 4K channels and output in 4K. It supports H.265, and the built-in Hikvision AccuSense technology offers motion detection 2.0 with human and vehicle analysis. The 6 8-megapixel IP-IR cameras provide excellent image quality and rich details, featuring 120 dB true wide dynamic range, as well as IP67 water and dust resistance. Completing the package is a powerful 4K 180-degree horizontal coverage dual lens panoramic ColorVu camera. Now let's open the box. This kit includes all the individually packaged contents you see here, except for the monitor and our J45 cables you'll need to supply for yourself. Let's take a look at the NVR contents. Inside, you'll find the K-Series NVR, power adapter, and included USB mouse. If we connect the mouse, power, and lastly, the HDMI connection to the monitor, before powering on the NVR, we'll eventually see the Hikvision boot screen and a prompt to set up the NVR password. You can quickly complete the following screens to set up your lock pattern and time zone before the unit is ready for camera setup. Let's start with the panoramic ColorVu camera. Use the included tool to position the camera angle before connecting the camera to the back of the NVR. After a brief startup, the camera strobe light will flash. If you're using the initial NVR wizard, the camera will be automatically detected before the preview screen appears behind the wizard. Now let's set up one of the 4K IR mini turret network cameras. Since there are multiple ways to quickly set up your Hikvision camera kit, let's connect this camera and right-click the camera preview screen to select menu. From here, we can manually select the configuration tab at the top of the screen, then select camera from the left sidebar to view our available IP channels. Here you can view the NVR, detecting newly added channels before a green check confirms online status. Click the camera icon on the top of the screen to preview all connected channels and manipulate your view as needed. Simply repeat those steps for the remaining camera channels and you've successfully set up your new EKI-K82T87A 8-channel 4K turret IP camera kit with 180-degree panoramic ColorVu camera. Only from Hikvision. To learn more about this and other Hikvision products and software, or to find your local Hikvision authorized distributors, visit hikvision.com.